Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries on your Hive 2 home thermostat. Okay, so this is probably going to be the easiest video I'm ever going to do, but still, some people have asked the question in the comments, so I thought I'd update and give a video to show people how it's done. It's actually really simple, there's nothing to worry about, and you won't lose any settings when you take the batteries out. Now, when you get your Hive home and it's installed and you've got your Duracell batteries or whatever it comes with as standard, all's good and it should last you for around about a year. I've had this one installed for probably about 16-17 months, and I've now got the battery illumination saying that the battery's flat. I've also had a few emails from Hive themselves saying that your battery is getting low and needs replacing. Now, if you need your battery replacing, you'll either get an email or on the display you will see the red light saying the battery is low. So all you need to do is remove it from the wall, put some new batteries in and stick it back on the wall. It's really super simple, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. Now, at the bottom of the device there is a little tab which you can just see there. Now all you need to do is press in the tab, remove the unit from the wall, take the batteries out, and that is pretty much it. None of the settings will be lost, so all your settings, all your programs, etc. will still be in the Hive system. It's saved actually on the processor inside the box, so you've got no worries there. So I'm going to go ahead and change it. It's really super simple. Now I'm going to be using Kodak batteries, and they're nice and cheap and cheerful. Get them from Tesco for £1 for about 10 of them, so it's money well spent. So all you do is press the button or press the tab on the bottom and lift the receiver off of the back plate. Now in the back of the box you can see you've got your batteries, and you can either tap them out, or if you've got fingernails you can pull them out. I haven't got fingernails, so I'm probably going to end up having to knock these out. There we go, no batteries. And you don't have to worry about any settings being lost at all. It's all stored in the EEPROM or memory of the device. And replacing the batteries again is really super simple. Just make sure you put the negative end, that's the flat end of the battery, on the spring. And when you put the last battery in, the device should reboot itself. And we've now not got a battery LED light showing, or battery warning light showing. So it's reconnecting, and you can see it's come back up with the time and date and the heating settings, etc. So we're all good and ready to put it back on the wall. So to put it back on the wall, all you do is line up the lugs on the back with the wall plate and give it a little press and it snaps into position. So that's been how to change the batteries on your Hive home heating hub or thermostat. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you've got any other questions about the Hive home heating system, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.